These simple texting videos are making people thousands of dollars per month, and they're getting people millions of views as well on TikTok and YouTube. Remember when TikTok was a dance platform for 16-year-old girls? But now in 2026, huge corporations like McDonald's, Amazon, Coca-Cola, and Netflix want in. They know that TikTok is taking over. They know that attention is more powerful than cash. Attention is the new currency. And those who are able to get the most amount of attention now in 2026 win financially. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create these simple texting videos with Tezza.app. So if you're ready, hit the like button and let's get into it. Check out this channel. Per year, they make around $30,000 to $40,000 just from posting texting videos. Check out this other channel, Textify. This channel makes around $150,000 per year, maybe $7,000 to $8,000 per month just from posting these types of videos on YouTube and TikTok. Let's take a look at his channel. Some of his videos are doing phenomenal. 1.9 million views 6 months ago. 1.6 million views, 1.2 million views 10 months ago, 1.2 million views 1 year ago, so on and so forth. Look at this, guys. Do you know how much YouTube pays for a million views? It is a lot of money. And not only with ad revenue, but with sponsorships and brand deals and merchandise sales and affiliate links. And you can make money with apps like Riz and Cantina on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, on X, on Snapchat. It's just the options are unlimited with these types of videos, but which, by the way, nobody is doing this. There's like 2 or 3 creators on the internet, major creators that are making these types of videos, and they're making serious money with this. Going over to TikTok, it gets even crazier. Look at his view count. 12 million views, 9.4 million views, 7.4 million views, 7 million views, 6, 5, 8 million views, 20 million views. This is absolutely crazy, guys. There's literally nobody doing this. Like, go to TikTok and go to YouTube and type in texting stories. There are very few people doing this. Like, they're hogging all of the views. They're literally taking all the views because there's no competition. This is called supply and demand. This guy is obviously taking advantage of it. He knows that there's not many creators in this space. So he's making massive amounts of money with this, guys. Look at the views. 4 million, 3 million, 5, 6, 8. It keeps going up and up. But look at these videos, guys. The great thing about this is that these videos are so easy to create. And I'm going to show you how to do this with Tezza.app. Heading on over to the Tezza website, these guys literally have everything. They have a Sora 2 video generator. They have clipping tools. They have a streamer clipper. They have the famous Reddit story. And of course, they have a texting story generator. Coming into the texting story section, these guys make it super easy. This literally takes 4 to 5 minutes to create a single video. So for texting conversations, you can manually enter your conversation here, right, left, and pick the content. You can either choose text or image, or you can have AI generate an entire texting conversation. And for this demo, we're going to do just that. A man texting his best friend because he thinks his wife is cheating on him. These videos always do super well on the internet because people love drama. People love Netflix. People love other people's dirty laundry, which is fine. Let's have some fun with it. So a man texting his best friend because he thinks his wife is cheating on him. Cool. We're going to click generate. So in 20 seconds, it literally gave us an entire conversation. You can always edit this to how you want. When you're happy with it, click move forward. The next section allows you to choose your theme. We can choose light theme or dark theme. You can choose your profile picture and your contact name. There's also a bunch of different options that you can use to customize your video down below, such as corners, size, the message reveal animation, introduction animation, so on and so forth. So feel free to play around with this to customize it to how you want. Tezza.app has a bunch of different engaging background videos that you can use. They recently added Subway Surfers, cooking, and Mario Kart. And who doesn't love Mario Kart? Cooking seems to be doing pretty well on TikTok and YouTube now as a background video, but I have to go with Mario Kart. So we're going to choose that as our background theme, and we're going to click move forward. We're going to choose our voice. First one is going to be Alex. The second one, the right voice, is going to be Josh. We're going to click export video.
Dude, I think Sarah is cheating on me.
What up? Seriously?
I don't want to jump to conclusions, but last night she said she was working late, but her location was showing at some bar downtown.
Did you call her out?
No, I didn't want to start a fight without proof. I drove past the bar.
And?
I saw her, with David from her office.
Dude, that sucks. Were they just talking?
Nah, man. They were holding hands and sending pics.
Holy dude, I'm so sorry. This is messed up. What are you gonna do?
I don't know yet. I'm going to confront her tonight. I'll let you know how it goes.
Good luck, bro. We're here for you. Wait, David just posted something on Insta.
It's as simple as that. This video literally took me 3 minutes to make, and with the help of AI and Tezza.app, I can make unlimited videos and post them ahead of time to YouTube and TikTok. So essentially what you do is you take the videos that you made from Tezza, you upload them to websites like buffer.com, and what buffer.com does is they automatically push your content to your YouTube and TikTok channels every day, every month, every week, whatever you want to do. You can schedule months and months worth of content. You can even go crazy and schedule a year worth of content. Imagine if you go to Tezza app and you make like 300 videos and you schedule one video per day, it goes out automatically and you wake up one day and you have millions of views. Now, I'm not saying that that's going to happen to you, but it is absolutely possible. And with the TikTok algorithm right now, how it's pushing new creators, even if you have 0 subscribers, TikTok is crazy. It's pushing new creators so hard right now. And YouTube is doing the same thing. YouTube is copying TikTok's algorithm and they're pushing new creators. Back in 2010, you had to have 1 million subscribers in order for YouTube to push your videos. Now in 2026, YouTube is actually copying TikTok because they know that TikTok is going to be way more successful than all of them combined. So YouTube and TikTok right now are pushing brand new creators. So if you create videos, let's say you go to Tezza app and you create these type of texting videos and you post 300 videos to be pushed out over time, over the next year, you can set it and forget it. Content is king. Attention is the future. Content on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Snapchat. I love saying those all together fast. This is the future, guys. Attention is the new currency. And those who can get the most amount of attention, like this guy, makes the most amount of money. $150,000 per year. We can split this in half, assume that he's making $150,000 just with YouTube ad revenue. Again, this is not counting merchandise and affiliate links and sponsorships from apps like Riz and Cantina. It's absolutely bonkers. There's so much money to be made, especially in this niche right now. Look at this, 11K a month, DM to learn more. Who knows if he's making that much money? Maybe he's making 5,000. Maybe he's making 4,000. If he's making 4,000 a month just posting these videos, that's a full-time living. You can literally live like a king or a queen in any country besides the United States for 4,000 a month. Look, powered by Riz app. He's making money from Riz app. He can make money from Cantina app as well. Not only does Tezza app have a great texting video generator, but if you go to their page, you don't even have to have a subscription to get your page reviewed. If you join their Discord and you have a YouTube or TikTok page, they will review your page for free. With Tezza, it's virtually impossible not to make money. And if you have an active subscription, you can get coaching completely for free, one-on-one with one of their algorithm experts who make sure that you make a return on investment. And if you don't, they give you 1 month completely free. So check out Tezza.app. The link is down in the description below. Comment, like, share, all that good stuff, guys. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.